Thinking about becoming an AI engineer in 2025? Stop right there. Before you jump in, you need to know how this role even came to exist, how it's changed, and where it's going. This isn't just a career guide, it's a map of three entire waves of the internet and how AI has grown with them. I started out as an electrical engineer, then moved into software, and eventually became an AI engineer. Along the way, I've seen this job transform multiple times. Today, I want to show you the history, the evolution, and why AI engineer in 2025 is very different from what it was 10 years ago. Era 1, the search and e-commerce era 2000s. Let's rewind to the early 2000s. Post-dot-com bubble. The internet was still young. The biggest challenge? Finding things. On one side, you had Yahoo and Google. They crawled the web, built indexes, and let people search. Early systems were rule based. Then Google introduced PageRank, which ranked results in a smarter, parameter driven way. This turned search into a money machine once ads were added. But it wasn't just search engines. Enter Amazon and eBay. They weren't crawling the whole web, they had their own marketplaces. Here, the problem wasn't find me a website, but find me the right product. And that required algorithms too, recommending similar products, showing what other buyers liked, predicting which items would sell. So, whether you were on Google looking for answers, or on Amazon hunting for books, or on eBay bidding for collectibles, engineers were building algorithms to guess what you wanted. Back then, these people weren't called AI engineers, they were algorithm engineers or research engineers using math and stats to predict behavior. Era 2, the social plus mobile era, 2010s. Now, fast forward to 2010. Smartphones changed everything. You no longer had to sit at a desktop to search. You could be on Facebook or Snapchat in bed, on the bus, even on the toilet. With billions of users constantly generating photos, posts, likes, and comments, the data exploded. It was too much for one computer to handle. That's when technologies like MapReduce and later Hadoop and Spark came in, allowing data to be processed in parallel across many machines. This era created a new type of engineer, the big data engineer. Their job? Take these massive amounts of user data and build models that predicted what people wanted to see in their feeds. Not just ads anymore, but which friend's photo, which video, which headline. This was the age of recommender systems, and it defined social media as we know it. Era 3, the LLM era, 2020s to today. And then came the third wave, large language models. ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, these don't just recommend what you might click, they talk back. For the first time, AI feels human like in conversation. Now, the job of an AI engineer isn't just optimizing ranking systems, it's fine tuning massive language models, designing prompts and evaluation pipelines, scaling infrastructure to handle millions of conversations, and integrating AI into real world products, from chat assistants to creative tools. This is a paradigm shift. Instead of predicting what link should I show you, the AI is now generating the actual response you see. That's a huge leap. Why this matters for you. So, why am I walking you through this history? Because AI engineer isn't one static role. In the 2000s, it meant building algorithms for search or e commerce. In the 2010s, it meant crunching big data and optimizing feeds. In the 2020s, it means building with large language models. And in the 2030s, it'll evolve again. The best AI engineers aren't just coders, they're people who can ride these waves. In the future video, I'll break down the exact skills you need to land an AI engineer job in 2025, from fundamentals to tools you should learn right now. If this helped, hit like and subscribe so you don't miss it. And if you want personalized advice, I also do one-on-one coaching, links in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.